Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off sound amplifier on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Now, once you have installed the sound amplifier app, just tap on open. From here, just select OK and tap on Add to App List. Now to turn on sound amplifier on your smartphone, first of all, just connect your headphones to your smartphone. Now you can use your wired headphones or your wireless headphones. Now for this video, I will connect my Bluetooth earphones to my smartphone. Now just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then go to Connections and from here just select Bluetooth. Now first of all, make sure you enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. After that, just tap on the name of your Bluetooth headphones. Now once you connect your Bluetooth headphones to your smartphone, just go back to the Sound Amplifier app. Now to turn on Sound Amplifier, just select Phone Mic. Now just give this app this permission. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled Sound Amplifier on our smartphone. And from here, you can increase or decrease the noise reduction, just like that. And from here, you can increase or decrease boost quiet sounds. And from here, you can increase or decrease boost high or low frequencies. Now, if you select phone media, you will enable the sound amplifier on the media of your smartphone. Now, to turn off sound amplifier, just select off. And this is how you can turn on and off sound amplifier on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.